Let me tell you a story. It's a story about a stick, a story stick. So this is a story stick. So I actually went to my laser. I'm showing off a little bit, right? But I traced out, did a photograph and traced out the profile of this spindle because I had to turn a bunch of them. And then in a piece of software, I drew out the shape, and then on my laser printer, I printed it. But the interesting thing that is important about this is these little marks correlate with each one of these pieces of the design. And then I also put in a reference number for the width that I need to achieve. So that's 2 inches where my hand is right here, 1.25 inches. Because when you look at this, this looks like the fat part, right? Well, no, that's the thin part. Well, how's the story stick work? Well, when you come back up to the lathe, you lay the story stick down, and then this piece is rounded out. And while it's spinning, you can rest your hand on the tool rest and you just mark with your pencil the diameter, the marks on here, and then you can start doing your turning. So you're basically taking the story of the spindle, putting it onto here, and that way you can tell the story through another piece of wood. Yeah, it works. I like that theory.